Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to link two workbooks now. With both files open and saved, type equals in the destination cell, switch to the source workbook and click the source cell. Excel builds an external reference automatically. Use F2 to edit and add $ for absolute references if you need fixed rows or columns. Once done, press Enter and confirm the formula shows the full path when source is closed. This ensures the link pulls live values rather than pasted text. Next, make links robust by naming ranges or converting data to tables in the source workbook. Structured references survive row inserts and look cleaner. Use index with match instead of VLOOKUP if you need leftward lookups or better performance. Also, choose absolute $1 references when you must lock a cell, and relative references when copying formulas. Once configured, close the source and reopen the destination to verify Excel resolves the path. To finish, use data then edit links to update, change source, or break a connection. Updating pulls the latest values without retyping formulas. Save both workbooks and consider placing them in a trusted location to avoid security prompts. If links fail, make sure the file path, workbook, and sheet names, and any named ranges are spelled exactly. Relative paths change when moving folders. One quick troubleshooting tip: open the source workbook while you edit. If the value appears then, the link itself is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.